Hi, I'm doing this Crochet Hats for Beginner audiobook giveaway for 25 people for the US, 25 people for the UK. That's what they give me for free to start out. So please look at the email down below. Send me an email just like last time when I did it for the Crochet for Beginners, and I will send it your way for free and you can take a look at it. So that is the giveaway right now that I just want to share with everybody is this audiobook right here. And the first 25 people for each country, UK and US, so total 50 people I'm looking for to do the audiobook. I just ask that you leave a review, and that's it. Thank you everybody for last time. This Crochet for Beginners right here. You guys did a great job with leaving reviews, and I did get up to like over 30 in total for people that were reading the free audiobook. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you, and also my Etsy store link is down below, and I have thank you tags, vintage patterns, digital planner, purse, yarn, more vintage patterns. Okay, you can take a look at that too. So just go ahead and give me that email. Thank you everybody for watching.